Morning, friends. Welcome to the Thursday and final edition for this week of KUMAR Bala with his views and his experiences for all of you. My friend, my young friend, aged 6, is the ultimate of all wisdom. I like his childlike wisdom. And the other day, in fact, it was yesterday, we were both going out, and he wanted, as usual, his ice cream and cookies. So while going, we saw a huge elephant coming towards the car, and he jumped out, and the elephant saluted him. The mahout shouted orders to the elephant, and the mighty elephant was happy to oblige, blessed the child, and blessed me. And my friend gave the elephant some bananas which he had with him, along with some money, which the elephant dutifully gave to the mahout, and it went on its way. Shortly after that, we had stopped in front of one of the Ganesh idols which was being installed for tomorrow's Vinayaka Chaturthi, and my friend was very fast in asking me, Tata, how come, or grandfather, how come we worship Pullayar and we revere him so much, and yet this poor elephant has to go around asking for alms because of the mahout, and it has to can't Pullayar take care of his brethren? It was a very, very tough question to answer, that why should the mighty elephants, leave its habitat and come onto the streets of Chennai and walk around asking for alms. Though it was nearby a temple, and perhaps it was a temple, elephant belonging to a temple nearby, it was a very tough ask for me. I then took him to, I remember what my scientist son had told me some time ago. Luckily, we old men require all these sorts of bits of knowledge to keep us going, especially when we are attacked by young children with their questions. And I pointed to Pullayar. Lord Vinayaka was there in his magnificence, ready to bless everybody of course, he always does it and continue to do so. And I pointed to the gourd which Pullayar had in his right hand. That is the bronze metal poker which the mahout uses on the soft part of the elephant to keep the elephant at leash. While looking at that, the child again was wondering, why does Pullayar have to keep it with him while the others could do the same? I said, that is why Pullayar is revered, that is why Pullayar is God, and that is why he ensures that he is not taken for a ride, and people pray to him because he has no weakness. The only weakness which the elephant had was that the mahout was holding that gourd and could use it to control him, and that is the way that it works the world over. If you have the means, then you are okay, and if you control whatever is can be against you, then you are the master of the situation. So our dear Lord Vinayaka has the only thing which can control could be controlled with. So he is the epitome of wisdom, he is the epitome of knowledge, and he is the epitome of all the obstacle removing. So that is why he is there where he is in the pantheon of gods, and we worship him number one. And I was happy to tell the child that if this elephant also knew how to use the mace or keep the mace with him, he would also be away from all the ill effects. But happily, here we and everywhere we know that the elephants are taken care of by the in some temple or a nearby place, and they are well fed basically. So it was but a lesson to me that if you know your strengths and keep your strengths with you, whatever weak points we have, the Achilles heel, then and we know how to use it and keep it within ourselves, then we are immortal and we are able to take care of any unforeseen circumstances which may befall us. So if on the other hand we fail to take care of the weaknesses we have, and we can be exploited, then that we will have the fate of the elephant which was walking on the road with a small mahout, 1/10 of his size, holding that goad which could control him. So we must realize that we have to be, or try to, of course, we poor ask, but we try to be like Pulayar. I told the baby that we see Pulayar knows exactly his strength.